Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the damage and starting rust removal immediately. If surface rust, you can scrub. If pitting, prepare for longer work. Put on gloves and place the pan in a container with enough white vinegar to cover the affected area because acid loosens rust chemically. Let it soak for 20 to 60 minutes depending on severity and check every 15 minutes. Once the metal softens, drain vinegar and rinse with warm water. Make sure to keep the metal wet until you move to scrubbing. Once done with the vinegar soak, scrub the pan thoroughly with steel wool or a wire brush, applying steady pressure along the metal grain to remove flakes and scale. After visible rust is gone, neutralize remaining acid by spreading a baking soda paste, because that stops further corrosion. Then rinse with warm water. Dry immediately with a towel and heat on the stove for a few minutes to remove trapped moisture. If rust persists in pits, repeat the soak and scrub cycle until the surface looks uniform and bare metal shows. You finish by building a protective seasoning layer so rust won't return. Apply a very thin coat of a high smoke oil across the entire pan, then wipe almost dry so only a molecular film remains. Place the pan upside down in a 400 degrees oven for 1 hour, because polymerization bonds oil to the iron. Cool in the oven to avoid thermal shock. Make sure to repeat 1 to 2 cycles for a durable finish. If your surface becomes sticky or uneven, reapply a thinner coat and increase heat slightly, then repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.